Hello everyone, this is Srikanth Rajan from AR Pro Academy and welcome back to yet another video. In my previous video, I spoke to you about 10 qualities of an auto industry professional. If you have not seen that, I would suggest you to see that right now. I am leaving the link here and you can click on the link and watch the video right now. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to this new person, which probably many of you may not know. Well, I call this person a mobility consultant. Now, who is a mobility consultant? Before I tell you about mobility consultant, let us understand who is a consultant. So, what do you feel? Who is a consultant? A consultant means an expert, a person with whom you can consult, is it not? So, when I mean a mobility consultant, what is mobility? Mobility means moving from one place to other. So, a consultant who can offer you the right mobility solution. I repeat, a consultant who can give you the right mobility solution, and that person can be called a mobility consultant. Now, many of you who already work in the auto industry might think, well, this is what probably a sales consultant does at an automobile dealership. And why am I not using the name sales consultant? Well, when I talk about sales consultant, I feel really bad. You know why? Most of the so-called sales consultant take the word sales so meaningfully important into their life that they forget that they are actually mobility consultants and they just try to sell anyone or any Tom, Dick and Harry who comes to their dealership the product that they have. That's not the way you do sales. They are just plain salesmen. I won't even call them a sales consultant. In fact, I want auto industry to have more of mobility consultants. That is what makes sense in today's world. So what does a mobility consultant do? A mobility consultant is that person who can understand an individual's requirement. That is, he can understand the mobility requirement of a person and then suggest him the right mobility solution so that his problem of mobility is solved completely. So that's the role of a mobility consultant. So let me just repeat that. A mobility consultant is a person who can understand a individual's requirement of mobility, and based on that he can give the right consultation or suggestion to this individual to select the right mobility option for him. Probably this is what is not told to you by many of your seniors, because being a mobility consultant, one of the most important factors is that you are a consultant who knows anything and everything about mobility. Now, how do you become a mobility consultant? Simple. Understand the market, the mobility market or the automobile market. Understand and keep yourself updated anything and everything about the auto industry so that you are known as an expert in this industry. Let me just recall one of the incidents that happened in my life. So I was traveling in a train in a remote place in the Andhra Telangana area. So the train was passing through a place called Guntur and I was traveling to Vijayawada. Now Guntur is a place, small town that comes on the way. Now when the train stopped at Guntur, there were hawkers who come into the train and try selling odd things. So there was this guy who came in and started selling son papdi. So son papdi, for people who don't know, is a sweet. This guy came into the train and started selling Guntur special son papdi. Now I travel a lot and I've been familiar with many of these places. So I was sure Guntur is known for chilies, but I was not sure that Guntur is famous for son papdi as well. Now, what happened was a lot of people in the train were not localites and they were traveling from a different town to another town. So this train just passes by via Guntur. Now it happened that one person asked the guy, hawker, so is this Guntur special? He said, yes, sir, this is Guntur special son papdi. Now, as soon as that happened, he was interested and he bought this son papdi. And likewise, there were a lot of other people in train too who were really interested in Guntur special Son Papdi, and they all bought it. Now this guy had a good sale and he just went by. Next day, I had my training session in Vijayawada, and I had a few people, so few of my participants who had come in from Guntur. So I just asked them this question: is Guntur famous for Son Papdi? I've never heard of that. So that is when they came up with this reaction: Son Papdi, Guntur? No, sir. I said, but I had this incident. They were wondering themselves. So they are from Guntur and they were wondering themselves. And that's when I actually understood. So the kind of, the kind of emotion that this hawker played with. Now, once you come to know of this, do you think you will buy from this person again? Or how long can this hawker sell like this? Of course, being a small town and train passing by, most of these people may be, not localites. But then out of these 100 people, there might be few localites. One day it might all turn reverse and he might get a complete different reaction. Now, why am I telling you this? Because today this is the situation with most of our so-called sales consultants and automobile dealerships. Any Tom, Dick and Harry who just walks into their showroom, the only intention that this sales consultant of the dealership has is to sell the product to him by hook or crook. I feel bad to say that, but hook or crook is not for selling. If you want to be successful in this auto industry, the most important thing is sell him the right solution. Have you seen something? The most successful businessman or business is the one which has solved customers' problems. Let me tell you an example of Uber. So when Uber came in, what happened? One of the major problems that we had was to find a rickshaw or a taxi. I still remember during my childhood, if we had some guests coming home and if we wanted to hire a taxi for them, we had to tell the tours or travel guys in advance and book a taxi. But what did Uber do? You had so many taxis everywhere, and with just click of a button, the taxi would come right in front of your gate. You don't even have to search for it. So what did he do? He was actually solving a problem. And that's exactly why many of us, I'm sure many of us have used a Uber or Ola service, because they have solved one of our biggest problems. They are also mobility consultants. But then, you know what? Because they are actually doing a mobility consultant program, that is why customers are more loyal to them. Whereas in a sales consultant, the situation today is that a customer walking into a dealership, even if he wants to book the car, he would tell his wife, keep the checkbook hidden inside, because these are sales guys, they are cunning and they would try to pull out the check somehow by hook or crook. Do you think you want to have such an impression with the customers? No. Well, if you don't want to and want to be successful in the automobile dealership and sales, then follow this series of videos that's going to come up in a few weeks, which will actually change the way you look at sales and in fact would turn you into a mobility consultant. Do you know what is the most important skill a mobility consultant should possess? Some of you might say product knowledge, some of you might say competition knowledge, some of you might say price, features about the car. No. The most important skill that a mobility consultant should possess is listening skills. Yes, you should be able to listen and understand. You should be able to understand the customer's requirement. A guest, I would say, who walks into your dealership, the individual who walks into your dealership has a genuine mobility problem, and that is the reason he is coming to you. In that case, you have to decide or help him decide which is the right mobility solution for him or her that ensures that this person, after buying the product, is actually happy with this product for lifetime. What happens if it doesn't happen? The customer is not happy with the product. He might have just bought it because he just bought it because he got convinced by you that it's a great product. So once he buys it, what happens if it doesn't actually solve his problem? Maybe he may use it for a few months, maybe a year, but then every time he drives the vehicle, the only point that would have in his mind is that he doesn't want to use this vehicle anymore. It won't be soon or later that he would actually dispose or sell the car. But one thing that he will surely do is, if at all any of his friends or family members want to buy a car, and if they're looking to come to your dealership, the first thing he would say is, don't go to this Mr. X, the sales consultant who conned me into buying this product. If you are with me on this and are also ready to change the scenario, I can assure you one thing, that is, you can grow in this industry. And I want you to grow in this industry. That's exactly why AR Pro is here. So team, if you are with me on this and want to go ahead in this industry and want to grow in this industry, follow us on the upcoming videos, and I am sure you will change the way you are doing your job right now. Let us change from a sales consultant to a mobility consultant. So how many of you are with me on this to become a mobility consultant? If you are, comment below this video. I want to see how many of you are actually ready to change into a mobility consultant. If you're ready to change into a mobility consultant, I am here to support you. And let us change the way this industry works. With that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off until we catch up on our next video. Goodbye.